Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jenny from Mycreativemanner. Today I'm going to unbox my brand new Instant Pot 8-quart Duo Nova. I bought it at Kohl's after Christmas. It looks pretty much like my 6-quart Instant Pot Duo that I have. So I was really thinking I'd stay on the same lines as what I already have. This one comes with an extra ring, so I was kind of happy about that. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So I've got the instructions in this little bag. And it has styrofoam on top. Oh. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than the other one. So one of the first things I already noticed is the cord. On my 6-quart, my cord plugs in, and that has been a couple little issues with it popping out on me. So that's, I think I might like that, but I might not, because I like the idea of being able to unplug it when I put it away. So that might be something. The release valve is different on this one than my other one. So it looks like you push it down. Yeah. So you push it. It says press to vent, turn to stop. Okay. Huh. So that's different. So we'll take this little instructions, set that aside because I'll probably need those later. So it's already got the white seal ring in it. And then here's my extra red ring, seal ring. So read packaging warning and warning labels instruction. My drip cup and the trivet, and that looks, oh, I think it's a little, the arms here are a little wider than the 6-quart one is, but it looks about the same size as my 6-quart. And then my inner pot. And down here there's a warning. Make sure the heating element is free from grease and debris. So yeah, when I with my other one, every once in a while I'll go in and I'll clean the inside of it and gently wipe down the heating coil. But you got to be really careful because you don't want to mess up that heating coil. So the cup here, it's right on. So that's on. And then let's look at the front here. Yeah, it looks like all these functions look like the functions that I have on my other one. So this will be pretty simple for me to get used to, except for the fact that it's 8-quart instead of a 6-quart. I think the only difference with recipes is the amount of liquid that you use. So I'll have to read up on that. Let's see. Let's plug it in real quick. Oh, and it's a digital screen light. This little screen is a little different than my other one. Yeah. So we'll put the lid back on real quick. So this little guy is kind of loose, but that's normal because it's not under pressure. Okay, so after it's been on for a few minutes, if you don't do anything, I guess the screen goes blank. So that's good to know, because I thought, oh no, it's already quit on me. There's the unboxing of my new 8-quart Instapot Nova. I'm excited to start using this. I think I'll be using it tonight for a recipe that'll be coming soon to the blog. So be sure to hit the subscribe button on our channel here so you can get notified whenever, well, you hit the subscribe and then hit the little bell button so you can be notified whenever there is a new video up on our channel. And then go over to the blog, subscribe for our emails. We have a blog post going out weekly, sometimes twice a week. So many blessings.